Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Rotary Club Shillong Heritage Dagajing sarong kelap pentim bakal pelat patba ya kali bekit ya Synduk Metïap nak benta ke jing temu ban agajing syakri ya ki patba biran kam hagi khap bekerke ya kali la pelat patba hapalau jaga painut hotel Shillong hakar penyutri urusa warajar posau daga deputy commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills District ke kong RM Korba ke belong kum kong san haringka ke jing dan lang jing dekat ke club. Kini projek kebakongsan lalawan ben urlong limba ke jingno senyang besbun juga kama kiala bajuria charitable trust kum kedak pensaken mau ya ke bhakwati prasad bajuria.
I request all the Rotary members, please come.
People of Shillong. Yay!
To thank the Bajoria family, the Kamakhya Lal Bajoria family, who has sponsored this vehicle to the society. Because in Shillong, this type of vehicle we don't have. This is the first hearse where we could have a respectful last ride of our loved and beloved ones. So I am very much thankful to the Bajoria families who have sponsored us and who has faith on the Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage. They have sponsored us this vehicle. The vehicle will be run under the Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage. There are the phone numbers, 2 phone numbers given permanently. Anybody can call these numbers and they can take the service of the vehicle. The timing from the vehicle is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening, and 365 days the vehicle will be available for the public. Yeah, there will be a minimal charges which the club has not decided yet, but very shortly they will be informed because the maintenance of the vehicle has to be thing. This will be available here. Throughout. Okay. Only you have to call and then the driver will reach with the vehicle to your place. Yes, for each and every community anybody can use this vehicle. At midnight, no, it is not possible in practically in Shillong. Maybe in due course of time we can think of increasing the time to midnight also.